In today's video, I am going to plate this key and spoon with copper. How? Keep watching. For this we need copper sulphate, alligator clip, copper plates, a spoon on which the copper plating will be done, and a glass. We have dissolved this copper sulphate in water. We will connect the copper plate to the positive end of the battery and the spoon to the negative end. After half an hour, we can see a slight copper color on the spoon. We also tried this on this key. This key got plated nicely. You can see the copper being plated on the key as well as on the clip. How does this happen? In this experiment, the copper sulphate solution is the electrolyte and the two metal plates becomes the electrodes. When we dip the two electrodes in the solution and connect them to the circuit, the copper plate becomes the positive electrode and the key becomes the negative electrode. When the power is switched on, the copper sulphate solution splits into copper and sulphate ions. The copper ions, which are positively charged, are attracted to the negatively charged key and slowly deposit on it, producing a thin layer of copper coating. The sulphate ions, which are negatively charged, arrive at a positively charged copper plate, releasing copper electrons that move through the solution towards a negatively charged key. This process continues till the current is present and the copper on the copper plate is eaten away.